In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn a photo into a cartoon using AI for free. So here's the photo I put into the AI, and here's the photo that it came back with. So this is pretty good, and I'm going to show you how you can do it right now. So there are many tools that you can use. I've made videos on how you can do this in Canva, but this one is using an AI tool called ai.nero.com. So go ahead and head over to this URL and then click on the icon here, then go to AI tools. And now you want to look for cartoonize photo. Once you've done that, you can then go ahead and upload your image. So I'm going to click upload image, and we'll upload the same image that I used for the example. Now you are going to get some free credits with this. After that, it will be paid. But for a couple of images, it will work great. Now you can choose here from cartoon, anime, pixel, and so on. We're going to choose the cartoon style. So once you've selected that, you can then enable HD output. That will use free Nero credits, but we're going to use that right now, and we'll click start. Now it's going to say that you have uploaded a large image. You can go ahead and either crop or continue. I'm going to just continue here, and we'll wait for it to generate the AI version. And then here we go, here is the AI version. It took maybe about a minute to generate. We can then click download, and I'll just download it here into the downloads folder. So let's just check this out. Here is the AI version. Because I checked the HD version, we have a HD obviously version this time, and I think it's done a pretty good job. You can go ahead and try that out yourself, and let me know what you think in the comment section below.